Hello kids, let's start with our E.V.S. 2 subject, chapter number 6, Stone Age, Stone Tools. But before we start with this chapter, let us see the important points that are we going to cover in this lesson. First one, types and forms of tools according to the type of task. Second, Stone Age tools. If we saw a shiny object buried in the ground, what would we do to take it out? Let's see what we will do. Perhaps we would scrape it out with our fingers. Scrap means scratch. Or what else we can do? If that did not work, we might try to dig it out with a twig or stick. What is twig? Small branch of tree. If that is also not possible, then what we will do? If that too did not work, we would have to look for a pointed stone. Yes, we will start digging with that. That should do the job. But if it still doesn't, then we would have to get an iron rod to dig that shining object out. This shows that we need to choose the tool according to the demand of the task. The following four factors determine our choice of tools. The first, availability of resources. Next, minimal use of time and energy. Next, maximum efficiency. And the last one, skill of handling tools which is acquired. Apes like the chimpanzee also use stones to break seeds and nuts. Can you see? Yes. Then what they did? They used sticks to stir the ants out from ant hills to catch them so that they can eat it. Humans too have always been using tools such as bones, stones, dried twigs and sticks as tools. Dried twigs and stick means with continuous and minute observation, experimentational and their inborn imagination. Inborn means right from birth. What they thought for it? Humans learned that they could sharpen rods, bones, sticks and stones into tools to carry out their task more efficiently. Yes, can you see in the picture? What is the meaning of efficiently? Effectively or easily? Now, they also learned that they could give these objects any shape they desired. Desired means expected or wanted. In the previous lesson, we saw that stone tools were found with the remains of Homo habilis. Now, we will see further. We can say that he made them because they were found near his remains. But did he make only stone tools? The answer to this question is no. Because he made tools from other materials as well. However, of the tools made by humans thousands of years ago, only the stone tools can be found today. Tool made from bone are rarely found. But since twigs and sticks decompose easily, we did not find any tools made from them. Let's see tools made from stones and bones. The tools made from stones and bones are a chopper made from a pebble, scraper. Can you see it in the picture? A circular hammer stone. Next, a chopper made from a flake of stone. Next, a borer made from a bone. These all are the tools. An antler used as a pick. Let us see the next one. The period from which mainly stone tools are found is called the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into three periods on the basis of the shape and the type of tools found. The first one, Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age. What is the meaning of Paleo? Old. Lithos means stone. The next is Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age. Now over here Meso means middle. The third is New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. Neo means new. Old Stone Age. Let us see about Old Stone Age. Homo habilis and Homo erectus, who belong to the Old Stone Age, both made their tools using the percussion technique. What is that? It is a method of tapping or on a surface to find out the underlying objects. So, what they did then? This technique involves beating or striking one large pebble against another to obtain stone flakes. Stone flakes means flat piece of stone used as a tool. The first tool made in the Old Stone Age with this technique were crude, simple, rough and shapeless. Only one side of those tools had a sharp edge. Sharp edge means sharp border. Such tools are known as choppers. They could only be used for breaking nuts or bones. The tools made by Homo habilis were of this kind. They indicate that Homo habilis had not yet learned to hunt. He used the flakes for scraping meat from hide. Hide means animal skin. For chopping meat and other foodstuffs, for sharpening wooden sticks, etc. Tools like the hand axe and cleaver made by Homo erectus, what is that? These are the stone tools, are more proportionate and symmetrical than the choppers made by Homo habilis. Proportionate and symmetrical means tool which is same on both the sides. So, what happened next? A proportionate and symmetrical tool has to be mentally visualized first. Visualize means to imagine in mind. Only then it is possible to make it. Homo erectus could mentally visualize his tools even before he actually shaped them. To obtain stone flakes, he used things like antlers as hammers. Antlers means the branched horns on the head of deer. He further sharpened the edges of those flakes by scraping off smaller pieces to make scrapers with very sharp edges. It means that Homo erectus was using different tools for different tasks according to the demand of the task. Now, with his improved tools, Homo erectus could have a greater variety of food because he could now hunt a variety of big and small animals. Now, these included mainly the deer, bison, rabbit, etc. The Neanderthal man made further progress in tool making techniques. He began to make smaller tools. Homo sapiens brought about a revolution in the technique of making tools. What did it? Devised a technique of obtaining long and narrow blades of stone. Can you see that? He made various implements. Implements means tools like the knife, scraper, borer, chisel, etc. from these long blades. He also began to use ivory and rare stones of the quartz variety for making tools and other articles. Homo sapiens had made significant, means great of, outstanding, progress in gaining knowledge of his environment and in the technique of making tools and obtaining food. This enabled him to stay in one place for a longer period of time. Groups of Homo sapiens had begun to build huts and live in them. They had also started celebrating social festivals. Many artistic objects and cave paintings created by Homo sapiens were possibly meant for these festivals. Homo sapiens had started using ornaments to adorn themselves. Adorn means to become more beautiful or attractive. Beads from the time of Homo sapiens made of shells, bones, and animal teeth have been found. Thus, the beginning of human culture go back to the Old Stone Age. Remains of tools from the Old Stone Age have been found in India at various places from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu. However, not many human fossils from the Old Stone Age have been found in India. Fossils of a human skull and the collarbone means shoulder bone, of an Old Stone Age woman were found on the bank of the Narmada in the vicinity, means the area nearest surrounding of a particular place of Hadnora, a village near Hoshangabad in Madhya Pradesh. Besides that, the fossil skull of a child from the Stone Age was found at a village near Puducherry. Some remains of Old Stone Age humans have also been found in Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. Gangapur near Nasik and Chirki Navasa near Nivasa are among the well-known Old Stone Age sites in Maharashtra. Due to changes in the climate and the environment in the Middle Stone Age, the way of life of humans had begun to change. How come? Let us see. Besides hunting, Homo sapiens had started to harvest food grains that grew in the wild and to domesticate animals. Their diet now included various plants foods. Domestication of sheep and goats also goes back to this period. Taking all this into account, it appears that Homo sapiens now needed several different types of tools that were light in weight and durable for a variety. Durable means long lasting. Variety of tasks such as hunting, fishing, harvesting, cutting of trees. Harvesting means growing crops. Cutting of trees, etc. He used to make implements like the knife and the sickle by firmly fixing a row of blades as small as fingernails into groove a long narrow cut in a bone or a piece of wood. Many sites of the Middle Stone Age have been found in India. Among them, Bagor in Rajasthan, Bhimikta in Madhya Pradesh, Langnaj in Gujarat, and Patani in Jalgaon district in Maharashtra are the well-known ones. Thank you.